myself Rukmani Dialani. I'm an interior designer at Livspace. Shweta got our reference from Bangalore, so they were looking at an end-to-end solution. That is how they got to know about our existence in Mumbai as well, and they got connected with us. Shweta has a eye for the look that she wants. Maximum storage was the basic requirement that the client was looking at in the apartment, along with aesthetics as well. The client really liked the brick look that we have followed for the walls, for the TV and the couch. The kids' room, since the client's children, both the children were very fond of the Lego theme, we thought we would use the Lego theme somewhere in the interiors. For the guest room, we were wanting something very minimal, not to make it look very bulky and heavy, and we had to definitely match it with some of the existing features of the bedroom. So that is the reason why we chose mustard green wallpaper. Client is very happy with the Livspace products. It is all blended very well, and the overall client's experience has been good.